Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to copy your LinkedIn profile URL. It is a link to your LinkedIn profile that you can share with people to connect professionally. You can connect with companies and recruiters while allowing them to know more about you through your profile. If you are an Android device user, then, here are the steps to guide you in finding in LinkedIn URL. Download LinkedIn from the Play Store and log in to your profile. Then, tap on your profile picture or View Profile. Scroll down to the Contact or Here section. Under the Your Profile section, locate your public profile URL. The LinkedIn URL is an address that starts with www.linkedin.com/in or copy URL. Then, copy and paste this link to share it with others. Here are the few things to remember. This LinkedIn URL won't appear if you don't have a public profile. If you change the country listed on your profile, your public profile URL automatically changes. However, the old URLs will still work. In the past, there was an option to customize LinkedIn URLs on a phone, but recently, there is no option to do so. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.